Hi, I'm Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert, and in this video, we're going to give you a beginner's guide to using an oscillating multi-tool. A multi-tool like this is truly one of the most versatile tools you could use. There are cordless versions, there are corded versions, and many different manufacturers of these types of tools. The idea behind this tool is that it is a cutter. You can sand with it. You can cut a bunch of different materials with it: metal, wood, drywall. You can remove the grout from tile using a specific bit like this. And the real secret behind this tool is you can do what's called plunge cutting. So let's say that you were having to cut a piece of trim where maybe you were going to add a door or a window. You could take this tool with the right blade like this and go straight in and make a precision cut. It vibrates at a very high rate. I think it's like 10,000 revolutions per minute. And you have such control with a tool like this, it's really quite amazing. Again, it's all about the type of blade that you have. Now, this particular one, the DeWalt, has a toolless blade change lever like this. And so with the right blade, they're not all universal, so you have to make sure that, you know, when you buy a blade, it says that it fits a DeWalt, or if you're using a Dremel, it fits a Dremel or a Milwaukee. As I mentioned, many different types of manufacturers of this. This one's cordless. You pop the battery in like that, and then watch when I turn it on. The vibration is so quick, it hardly moves whatsoever in your hand. But on the end, if I touch that against something solid, it can do all the cutting. You can cut drywall, you can cut wood. It's really quite effective on that, and even metal. Now, you're not going to use this for a series of, cut after cut after cut, but when you're looking to get precision cutting on a project that you want to get done and really have amazing results, then one of these multi-tools is a great tool to have in your toolbox. Coming up next, our video on rotary tool versus oscillating multi-tool.